The 2011 Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, four-wheel drive, dual front airbags, air conditioning, front, automatic stability control, keyless entry, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, child safety locks, bucket seats, fog lamps, power door locks, power windows, intermittent wipers, tachometer, rear wiper, tilt steering wheel, cloth seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.